Hello. Welcome to week 6. I'm doing a very fast overview video. I'm going to do a more in-depth one about the assignment for those of you who are interested. If you're not interested in my explanation of how to do the assignment, that's up to you. Don't watch that other video. But this one, it's a mandatory one. I'll do it quickly. All week long, you'll see there's only one assignment. It's down here. It's the critical reflection assignment. If you click on it, it gives you the description of what you're doing. You're writing an essay, probably unlike any essay you've ever written before, that's just talking about why you wrote the academic multi-source synthesis essay we just wrote, the way that you did. You're trying to show yourself as a critical thinker. You're trying to explain all of the reasons that you made each of your choices, and you're trying to explain them in a way that talks about your audience. So the goal is, show yourself as a thinker, show you knew who the audience was, what the audience required, and show how you tried to give the audience what they needed. All right, that is due next Saturday. It's on here, Saturday, February 17th, 2018, at 11 p.m. So you have a full 7 days to work on it. You can send me, and you can send the WRC drafts beforehand. I have a lot of samples up. Going back to them. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put a brand new sample to be at the top of these. These are old samples. Take a look at them. That's cool. But I'm going to put a new sample up as well that was exactly on this essay that you've just written with the same sources, so you can relate to it more. It's up to you if you want to look at the samples. It's up to you if you want to watch the extra video I'm going to make. It's up to you if you want to send me drafts to get feedback ahead of time. It's all on you. So, watch the next video or don't. Get a hold of me or don't. You have choices to make, but you have one essay due at the end of the week. All right. Until you get a hold of me, I'm out.